Alright, this is number 8 in the Algebra CST release test question packet. 5 minus the absolute value of x plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 3. The first thing that we need to realize is that we have an absolute value. We need to isolate the absolute value just like it was a variable. We'll work our way from outside to inside in order to do that. Also keep in mind that this is a positive 5. So, to remove the constant, use the inverse operation of addition. Once we've done that, we should have negative absolute value of x plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 8. The tricky part in this problem is that we have a negative outside the absolute value sign. We can also call that an invisible 1. So we've got negative 1 times the absolute value of x plus 4. What's the inverse of multiplication? Division. So we'll divide a negative 1 on both sides of the inequality. This cancels the negative in front of the absolute value, leaves us with x, the absolute value of x plus 4. Now, the part that we have to stop on, we've just divided by a negative, which means that we're going to switch the sign. And negative 8 divided by negative 1 gives me a positive 8. From here, the absolute value is isolated. We'll break down the absolute value and create two cases, copying the inequality sign to the other side. We're also going to copy the answer to the other side and make it the opposite sign. Now we need to finish up with this problem. So clear the way a little bit. And in order to do so, we'll remove the constant using inverse of addition on all three sides of the inequality. Now as an answer, we can look and see that we have x is greater than or equal to positive 4. So if we take a look here, there's no 4 in this answer at all. Done. No 4 in this answer at all. Done. There is a 4 here, but look how it's written. X is less than or equal to 4. If we look at our answer, it needs to be greater than or equal to 4. This only leaves us with D, but just to make sure, we can look and see x is greater than or equal to 4, x is greater than or equal to 4. The answer for number 8 should be